Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be diving into is we're going to be discussing one pair of upcoming SBs. I believe these are set to drop in April or May on sneakers, but they've already been hitting some skate shops, and this is the Hyper Royal Malachite SB Dunk Low. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly, but very clean colorway. I like this one for everyday wear, and we're just going to be diving into how it looks, you know, the type of sneaker that, you know, it is, like how it compares to like a normal SB. It's very, very similar, so I mean, it is an SB Dunk, so it's not very, very similar. It is one. But let's just kind of dive into the rest of the video. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. I'm going to be running a Military Blue Jordan 4 giveaway. I know I've been saying coming soon. That will be dropping, I think, next week, because I'm going to have some more pairs landed then, so I probably will run it around then, and the winner would be selected around release day, so they can get a pair if, you know, a little cheaper, having everything. More, I'll have a higher chance of getting more of the sizes that, you know, because what if someone wins, it's like a 14 or 15. You know what I mean? I might have to do some looking, but that's everything I need to say. Hope y'all will enjoy. Subscribe, like for more content like this. Trying to tune in on this video. And yeah, that's really all I need to say. Let's just get started and discuss this pair of SB Dunk Lows coming soon. Already hitting some skate shops now, so keep that in mind. So a couple things I want to get into with this SB Dunk Low. We just got the normal purple box. I know now with SBs that have been you know, coming up, we have that kind of cream box color, but this is like, you know, the older purple box. We still see it on some SB Dunk Lows, though, some of these regular colorways, just like this one right here. So you can see this comes with mostly all suede. Like the whole upper all around here toe box, it is all suede. So I'm going to show you guys that up close. So you can kind of see we got this tan colorway going right there. I mean, that's what I'm just going to go with. It's kind of a tan or almost like a really light gray. And then we got kind of this darker royal blue. They're calling it a hyper royal, but I mean, I'm just going to say darker kind of royal blue. As you guys can see, that is suede. Very, very nicely done. We also have that in the mid section of the sneaker. And as you guys can see, we got that green suede swoosh as well. Matches very, very nicely with the other colors in the sneaker. That's the main thing I want to say. Usually, I don't like when the swoosh is a different color, but this is good. It matches with all the colors and also matches with the tongue tag, exactly, as you guys can see right there. So that's another good thing about it, you know, matches with another part of the sneaker, so I'm rocking with that. And you guys can see we also have the insole right there on these, kind of got that green, almost like it's a little bit darker than this green right here. It's like a forest green on the inside right there on the insole. Hopefully y'all can get a good view of that right there. Also comes with laces that are, excuse me, the exact same color as the swoosh. You all can see we got some green laces with these, and that's the same color as this swoosh right there. Hopefully y'all can kind of see that you know, comparison. Hopefully, there you go, a little quick. See what I'm saying? But that's really all I need to mention quickly about, you know, kind of the upper of these shoes. You also head down to the soles of these. You got some gum bottoms. I'm rocking with them. I actually think this is really nice. You can kind of see, again, they're going with that forest green right there on the center of the soles. I think it looks nice. Again, it matches with a couple parts of the sneaker. It's not just like, you know, standing out as like kind of like an awkward part of the shoe. You can see it matches with the swoosh, matches the insole, even a pair of laces that you guys can go with that it would match with as well. That, again, is matching this. So that's really what I can mention about the upper of the shoe. It's really well done. I like when we start getting into kind of these all suede Dunk Lows. Anything like that, you know, you're going to have me. And these are actually a lot nicer in hand. That's one of the main things I want to mention. Y'all can see also that Nike logo that is also embroidered right there. Very, very well done. But this shoe is nicer in hand. That is one main thing I will mention about these. At first, I was like, you know, it's kind of similar to those Deep Royal SBs, you know, the Deep Royal blue ones that just dropped. So, you know, I wasn't really rocking with them. But then my dad sent me a picture of them, and I was like, you know what? I might go pick these up next day, and I ended up just heading to my skate shop down there and grabbing a pair of these. Because, you know, again, some are dropping these early, so feel free to go check out your local and see if they have any pairs of them. They might be posting a raffle soon, because a couple places have been doing it via raffle, couple via first come first serve. So keep in mind, they might not be doing it where you can just walk in and buy it. Might have to enter online, but I don't think this will be one that's too hard to grab. I mean, I'll show y'all. I mean, we'll get into the prices right now on this pair right here. It's nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? So why don't I dive into showing y'all, here's what we got going on for like size 10, for example. I got a size 11 right here, but size 10, about 170, 175, maybe y'all can see that right there. So, I mean, nothing too crazy. These aren't like insane sales. Pretty normal. Shows y'all some places are backdooring them. So that's just for a 10, right? Then we get into like, for example, 11.5. It's like a little bit more at that one, you know, same kind of range of 170. Then how about we get into, you know, 13? That's a bigger size. It's a little bit higher, as y'all can see, at like 190. Someone just dropped it down though, as y'all can see, to 170-ish. So hopefully that's those are focusing. But that's about what these are going for, kind of 170 to $200. Bigger sizes are going for more. I know 12 is actually probably going for the most in these, but some of the smaller sizes too, like a 7 sold for like 230. So you know, some of the bay sizes, smaller ones, are going for a little more at the moment. But I expect these to drop in price a good amount. Since keep in mind, there's lots of pairs on the way, and yeah, just some skate shops have started dropping them. So let me know what you guys are thinking about the Hyper Royal. I guess, yeah, that's what it was, a Hyper Royal Blue Malachite, or just a Hyper Royal Malachite SB Dunk Low. So let me know what you guys are thinking about this. They were saying summer 2024, but some places have already started to drop them. So we got these, which will probably be dropping around a very similar time to the Chicago J-Pack SB Dunk Lows. I know a lot of people said, oh, those are going to be exclusive to Europe. Those are going to have some pairs in the U.S. Some places. Just keep that in mind. Not every single location, but there will be some pairs dropping in the U.S. for that SB Dunk Low. But that's, again, the Hyper Royal Malachite SB Dunk Low. Again, I don't think it's like a good hold or anything like that. It's just a really cool personal pair. If they end up not doing them on sneakers, then yeah, it might be a good pair to go pick up and, you know, just kind of forget about. Get some of the big sizes that usually end up being harder to find. But just a clean, everyday, you know, to wear colorway. That's what I can mention about this. This would be a great SB Dunk Low to skate, or, you know, just again, just wear, beat up. It's suede, you know, so they look comfy as hell. That's one of the main things I can mention about them too. So they're kind of stylish, they're comfy, and they're a little bit nicer than that recent, in my opinion at least, a little bit nicer than that recent Deep Royal Blue SB Dunk Low that we saw. It's very, very similar to these in terms of them being all suede, exact same. It's just kind of like the reverse version of that. That's what my dad was saying that to me, and I was like, yeah, you're right. It's pretty much just the reverse version of those, and I like the reverse version more. So if you get them early, you know, it's a good sale in my opinion, but mainly a personal pair. I don't see the resale market going absolutely crazy for these. It's not like an SB Dunk Low we have not seen before. You know, we have lots of all suede SB Dunk Lows, but the next kind of SB I'm looking for is probably some sort of collaboration. Probably the Futuras, Race Leals are coming up. That's definitely a cop. And I think I know there's a major one I'm forgetting in sometime in April, but we have more SBs on the way. So like there's not any shortage of good SB Dunk Low collabs that we have coming soon. Thank God I didn't drop that. But that's what I can mention about the Hyper Royal Malachite SB Dunk Low. Let me know what you guys think. You're going to be copping this one coming soon. Is your skate shop dropping them already? You win a pair. You know, you're going to be copping them when your shop drops them. Let me know what you guys think. And definitely go check if you haven't, because they might have some pairs of these. And it's a good early flip. I'll leave it at that. You can definitely get some sales that way. But yeah, if you want to check out my Instagram, any of that down below. It's where I buy, sell, trade. Also have the giveaway coming there very, very soon. So stay tuned and do not miss out on that. I'm going to be posting that probably around Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So I'll be, you know, talking about it next couple of days, but just stay tuned. Almost guaranteed Tuesday, Wednesday next week. I know it's been a minute of me talking about it, but it's going to be soon. And you guys can subscribe and like for more content like this, man. I'm always trying to bring y'all little unboxings, in-hand reviews. I know this isn't like an insane colorway, but a little bit early on these, you know? So I'll get this out today. It's Sunday. So yeah, we'll get it out. So it still is going to be an early-ish review of an SB. But yeah, nothing too insane, you know, right? It's a nice colorway, but it's not like, you know, oh my God, like these are going to like break the internet. No. It is a cool, calm, everyday pair. That's kind of the best thing I can mention about him. And yeah, I've already said everything else down below. Leave your comments on these in the comment section down below, obviously. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. And I will catch you all in the next video coming soon. Should be tomorrow on Monday. So stay tuned for that. I'll see y'all then. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.